Why is Zimbabwe so rich? Zimbabwe is a vibrant country filled with natural wonders. Its wealth is diverse. If you are looking for natural wonders, you will find breathtaking places such as Victoria Falls, the Balancing Rocks, Mana Pools, and Chimanimani. The tourism industry is spectacular, especially as the hospitality you will receive in Zimbabwe is world-class. Zimbabwe also has an abundance of natural minerals, which include platinum, chrome, gold, coal, and diamonds. The country boasts the second largest platinum deposit and high-grade chromium ores in the world, with approximately 2.8 billion tons of platinum group metals and 10 billion tons of chromium ore. Zimbabwe holds the largest reserves of lithium in Africa, and it ranks about 5th globally. But the true wealth of Zimbabwe is in its people, who are known worldwide for their warmth and joy. Welcome to Zimbabwe. Enjoy the experience with Sarura Kids.